central. How do you apply payments against a vendor? Let's go take a look. So regularly against the vendor, we're asked if a balance outstanding versus the balance overdue. How do we actually apply payments that have been paid against the account, but then receipt them off against the invoices? So if we have a look here, you can see currently there is overdue amounts of $18,512, okay? But there's an actual balance of $18,612. So there's been a payment on there that's not been applied. We're just going to go take a look at this account by going vendor ledger entries. And in here, you'll see all of the invoices and all of the payments. Now, documents that are red and bold are unallocated, whereas documents that are no longer bold have actually been allocated, fully allocated and paid. So let's use, I'm going to put this by a date just to simplify my screen here, and I can see here that I have a payment here and an invoice here. Okay, so we can allocate both ways. We can either select a payment, and from a payment, one or many payments, and apply this across multiple invoices, or we can take an invoice and apply this and seek application of multiple payments. So just here on the invoice, I'm filtering by date to the latest. And I can see the payment here. I'm going to press process, applies to. Now that's been applied, we're going to go process, post application. This is fine, we just hit OK. You'll notice now the invoice has been receipted, the payment has been receipted, and if we look at these two lines, and we scroll over, you're going to say remaining amount is 0. So they're fully allocated. Thank you.